This project's been in the making now since 1979, believe it or not. Then Congressman Fred Upton went to work, got us some money from Washington, and the governor's rebuilding Michigan money kicked in the rest of the money for us to be able to make this connection after 1979. This is truly a remarkable achievement that should be celebrated.
We finally got the money for US-31. It happened in our lifetime. It's going to save lives. I want to thank the MDOT people who work so hard. All types of weather. I'm here and going down to South Bend to fly back. But I also want to thank our governor, because if Michigan moves forward, it's because we have an infrastructure that will allow it to do us.
Connecting US-31 with I-94 is critical to moving Michigan's economy forward. This project will save Michiganders time and money while keeping them safer on the roads. Now, the US-31 project was delayed in 2004 after a lot of careful planning and funding was in place. We restarted the work in 2020, and now we're finishing it, and we're on track to get the whole thing done. Once complete, it'll allow commerce to flow quickly and efficiently through Michigan.
I never thought that I would ever see this day where it would be built. You wait for 20 years and nothing happens, and then all of a sudden in 2 years you see this. And it's just great, and it's just going to build our commerce here so much. This road connects north, south, east, and west now. I mean, it's like the hub coming from Chicago, from Indiana, coming down from the north, from Grand Rapids, coming over from Detroit.
One of the things that I know is as Michiganders are traversing our state, there's no question there's a lot of work being done on our roads and infrastructure. I'm really grateful to MDOT, to all of the businesses with whom we as a state contract, all the hardworking men and women that show up every single day, put in a long day's work, who are working nights on the weekends. And so I just want to say, this is a great example of what we're capable of when we work together.